How to link a bank account to Cash App. In this video, I will show you how to link a bank account to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. From there, proceed and tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile section of your account where there are many different sections that will take you to different areas of the app. After that, scroll down. Continue scrolling through the different options that are here until you reach this section named Account and Settings. The sections have several options, as you can see. From the options that are here, make sure you tap on this one here named Linked Banks. After doing that, another page that has these different options appears. Next, tap this option named Link Debit Card. After doing that, this page appears where there is a field where you can add a card number. We aim to add a bank account. So, if you want, you can connect your bank account using your debit or credit card. If you want to connect without a card, then tap this option named No Card. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will land on this page where you can connect or link your bank to Cash App. You can read the information here to understand if you need to. Finally, proceed and tap here, Continue. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, this page appears where there is a list of all the available banks you can link your Cash App to. Look for your bank and then tap on it. There is also a search box where you can search for your bank. After finding and tapping on your bank, just like I have done here, you will land on this page where you have to enter the necessary information so that you can log into your account. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to link bank account to Cash App.